and in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable video previews for channels on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate in the top right corner of our screen, which is the settings button. Now click OK on it, and from here scroll all the way down to the device preferences. Select it, and now scroll down again and find home screen. Click on it and you'll be able to enable or disable video preferences along with video previews along with audio previews. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.